Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your Snapchat account, you see an error that your account is temporarily disabled. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So very first I recommend you how to try to connect with the strongest and stable network connection. Then try to disconnect your VPN if you're connected. And after doing that, you have to simply open your browser and search for Snapchat Sport. Just search for Snapchat Sport, and here you have to open the first website, and then you'll get the option of I can't access my account. You can directly select from here, or you can tap on this contact us option and then select it from here. Just select I can't access my account, and here just scroll down and you will see an option of account is disabled. So just look for that option. Here's the option my device is temporarily disabled, so let's say I'm going to select this one, and here you will get different options. So you can also tap on this, click here option to submit a report, but you can get help from this page, or you can also directly log into your account by tapping on this here option. Here so you can see the option of here, just tap on this and it will get you to log in pay. You just have to log in your account in on this screen, or after logging in here you just have to download this open in Snapchat and your account will be open in Snapchat. Or after logging into your Snapchat account in the browser, you can easily log in Snapchat. So in this way you can easily fix if your Snapchat account is disabled. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.